She brought her characteristic intelligence and focus to the twin causes of stem cell research and Alzheimer's research.
The audience is my brother, Juan Sotomayor. He's a physician in Syracuse, New York. My sister-in-law, Tracy. My niece, Kylie. She looks like me. My twin nephews, Connor and Corey.
There are few who are not moved by the love that Ms. Reagan felt for her husband, and fewer still who are not inspired by how this love led her to take up the twin causes of stem cell research and Alzheimer's research.
My mother died of lung cancer because as a young girl, she wanted to smoke just like her twin brother could.
The twin forces of technology and global competition have subtracted those jobs that once provided a foothold into the middle class, reduce the bargaining power of American workers. These twin threats to our economy have now been lifted.
You have a little fruit.
We've got Lisa, who's got a 10-year-old and two twin 7.5-year-olds.